Hello, welcome back guys to Motorola channels here. Today in this video, I'm going to show you a tutorial how to change screen refresh rate on Motorola G06 Power. But before it, I have you guys click a subscribe and the bells button below to support this channel. And yeah, without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well, first thing first, you just have to open the settings here. And then at the settings page, you just have to scroll it down again. And when you see the display option, you just have to tap on it. And then select here at the bottom display refresh rate. Here, as you can see, there are two options for the refresh rate. As we know, refresh rate decided how often the screens update. A higher refresh rate results in smoother motions, improves screen responsiveness to touch, and provides a better experience when playing games or watching videos. So here, you can see these two options, which is smart and balanced, and then here the second one is efficiency first. If you use this efficiency first options, it will reliable experience with the lowest battery consumption. But if you use the smart and balanced, it's a seamless experience with moderate battery consumptions. It is up to 120 Hz, which the efficiency first is only 60 Hz, guys. So here I'm gonna use the first one, and if you want to save it, you just have to close and it will save automatically. So yeah, I think it's enough. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your comment and likes below. I'll see you soon in the next one. Goodbye.